If your food packaging is causing rejects or downtime, this is the first place to look. The issue is usually hygiene risks, messy filling, inconsistent packs and changeovers that slow production. When this is ignored, the machine can look busy while the line is still losing output, product or operator time. The cost is not only the reject pack. It is rework, cleaning, stoppages, missed orders and operators compensating for a process that should be controlled by the machinery. The practical check is simple: show product handling, hygienic contact parts, filling or sealing control and pack finish. Do this before you choose the final machine specification, not after the machine has been installed. Technically, food packaging machinery must match product behavior, cleaning needs, pack format and output targets. That is why two products that appear similar can need very different machinery setups. Typical applications include sauces, oils, condiments, powders, jars, bottles, pouches and trays. The right solution depends on your product, pack format, output target and the level of automation you want to reach. If you are comparing packaging machinery, send Lansing UK your product, container, closure, label or pack format, required output and any videos of your current process. We can help you review the right route before you spend money on the wrong machine.